Most miter saws you see online are overpriced gimmicks built for quick returns. Buy wrong and you're wasting your money on a tool that won't last. Ever wrestle with awkward angles and crude cuts on a tight project schedule? This video breaks down the top picks and explains who they suit. Today I'm going to be going over the best miter saw that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Metabo HPT C10FCG2. From the moment you unbox, this 24-pound unit feels surprisingly practical for interior trim professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its rugged alloy frame, enhanced by an improved miter scale, delivers repeatable accuracy while the 10-inch blade remains compatible with common accessories. Portability remains a focus in the second generation, with a compact footprint and carry handle complemented by a capable 15-amp motor. Versatility shines with a miter range from 0 to 52 degrees and a bevel range from 0 to 45 degrees. Bevel range from 0 to 45 degrees with adjustable stops for consistent, repeatable bevel cuts across multiple pieces. Powerful and presses. The motor delivers up to 5,000 RPM, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts across a range of materials. Compared to a leading DEWALT model, this Metabo HPT setup delivers lighter weight and more stable bevel and miter control for precision. The pros include durable construction, lightweight portability, and precise adjustments that translate to repeatable, gallery-quality results. The cons include a single bevel design that can limit some bevel angles and a compact footprint that sometimes restricts material capacity. In real-world testing, the saw performed reliably with straight, true cuts, crossing through softwood and plywood with minimal tear-outs. Durable construction and the 5-year warranty provide dependable performance on job sites and prolonged use between service intervals. The improved miter scale, robust vise clamp, and generous table surface collectively minimize material movement and support accurate repeatability at every cut. For professionals who travel between sites and DIYers tackling cabinetry projects, this Metabo HPT model balances power, mobility, and value. Bottom line, the Metabo HPT C10FCG2 offers a compelling mix of power, portability, and accuracy for a wide range of woodwork. At number 4, we have the DEWALT DWS780. This unit features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels exceptionally durable under heavy-duty woodworking site conditions during daily use. Weighing about 2.4 pounds, this miter saw remains remarkably portable for job sites, transport, and on-site adjustments without fatigue. A robust 1,100-watt, 15-amp motor delivers 3,800 revolutions per minute for demanding cuts. The integrated cut-line blade positioning system provides adjustment-free cut-line indication, enhancing accuracy and visibility during complex bevel and miter tasks. XPS LED shadow line technology projects a bright shadow on the workpiece, showing exactly where the blade will contact. The dust collection system captures over 75% of dust generated, reducing cleanup and keeping air quality on site. Tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches nested, base molding up to 6 3/4 inches. Fence design allows cuts up to 2x14 dimension lumber at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45. Dual bevel system enables beveling right and left from 0 to 49 degrees with positive stops and clear visibility. The cam lock miter button locks angles between detents, while the machine miters 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees left. The power cord routes through the rail at the back to reduce interference during long bevel and miter cycles. Compared to the Bosch GCM12SD, the DEWALT DWS780 provides faster setup, clearer cut line visibility, and wider crown capacity. The pros include exceptional dust collection, precise XPS alignment, and large crown and base molding capacity. The cons include a higher price point and a corded design that limits true portability. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DWS715. This miter saw instantly signals professional durability and versatility, appealing to woodworkers framing crown molding and trim projects. A robust stainless steel detent plate ensures repeatable accuracy, while machine base fence support delivers stable cuts during demanding days. Tall sliding fences support 5.5-inch base molding vertically and 5.5-inch crown molding vertically nested. Bevels range from 0 to 48 degrees left and 0 to 3 degrees right for versatile beveling. Its capacity lets 2-inch by 8-inch lumber cut at 90 degrees and 2x6 stock at 45 degrees. Powered by a 15-amp motor delivering up to 4,000 RPM, it balances power with lightweight portability. The cam miter lock and cam detent mechanism provide whisper-precise adjustments and repeatable angles under load. Its lightweight is complemented by a built-in carry handle, making transport between sites surprisingly effortless. In practice, the saw maintains cut quality with consistent speed and minimal waste when working with common trim and molding profiles. Compared to a common 16-inch dual bevel model, this DEWALT saw offers tighter detents and a sturdier fence for repeatable precision. The pros include excellent repeatable accuracy due to the stainless steel detent plate, tall sliding fences for large moldings, and a robust 15-amp motor. The cons include a higher price point than basic models and a moderate weight that can hinder single-handed setup. Its compact footprint and built-in carry handle make it ideal for small shop setups and mobile job sites. Industry users can rely on the combination of strong detents and tall fences to reliably cut crown molding. At number 2, we have the SKIL MS6306-00. For weekend remodelers and professional finish carpenters, this compact saw targets tight spaces and demanding projects where precision matters daily. The tool weighs under 25 pounds, enabling one person to maneuver it confidently between jobs without sacrificing stability. The 10-amp motor powers up to 4,800 RPM, delivering fast, clean cuts even through tougher laminates. The LED shadow line improves alignment and accuracy across baseboards, casing, crown molding. Its fixed compact rail system minimizes benchtop-to-wall footprint, enabling flush against walls and tight workspaces. Despite robust performance, the unit remains lightweight and compact, delivering consistent speed under load for longer sessions. The quick miter lock delivers rapid and accurate miter angle adjustments. Expansive miter capacity allows angles from 0 to 47 left and 0 to 50 right. Miter detents provide stops at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6, and 45 degrees left and right. Compared to the DEWALT DWS780, this SKIL model trades crown capacity for a lighter fixed rail footprint and easier transport. The pros include lightweight portability, precise LED shadow line, and quick, repeatable miter locks. The cons include limited crown molding capacity and a higher price for a compact saw. In real-world testing, it produced precise cuts through baseboards and crown with minimal blade drift and consistent repeatability. Overall, this SKIL MS6306-00 model is a strong choice for space-constrained finish work. At number 1, we have the SEESII compound miter saw. From the moment you unbox it, this compact saw targets DIY enthusiasts and professional carpenters who value portability without sacrificing capability. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle invite confident one-handed maneuvering during long cuts, reducing fatigue on projects in space-constrained workshops. The inclusion of a laser guide and scale-marked fence promises accurate length measurements and consistent alignment across repeated cuts. Constructed with a robust metal chassis and reinforced plastics, the unit remains compact enough for easy storage in tight workshops and vehicles. Despite its compact form, the body feels sturdy thanks to metal components and snug tolerances that minimize flex during aggressive cuts. Bevel range spans 0 to 45 degrees with tactile detents, offering reliable, repeatable adjustments for crown molding and trim applications. Powered by a 4,900 RPM motor, this miter saw delivers brisk cutting speed through hardwoods and thick stock with authority. Bevel adjustments span 0 to 45 degrees, with detents delivering precise alignment for molding and trim applications. Safety features include tilt protection and dual safety switches on the handle to ensure two-handed operation and reduce accidental starts. During real-world testing, it cut hardwood smoothly with minimal tear out and presented clean results across multiple boards. The included dust bag reduces debris and makes cleanup quicker after long cuts and heavy sessions on job sites. The included clamps and other accessories secure workpieces during positioning, improving stability and cut accuracy on site greatly. Compared to a popular compact Makita model, the SEESII sacrifices a fraction of power for greater portability and easier transport. The pros include lightweight portability, reliable laser-guided accuracy, and a broad bevel range for diverse projects. The cons include higher price relative to basic compact models and limited cutting capacity when compared with industrial-grade saws.